the ladies and gentlemen are presented here. Today, I, Manisha,
and I, Kanishka, feel immense pride to welcome you all. We would like to extend our special gratitude to our Managing Director, Mr. Rajiv Sharma, and our Admin Director, Ms. Sudha Sharma.
To begin this event, we honored to invite come on the stage to our chairman, Mr. Moonchand Sharma and Ms. Chandrakanta Sharma to give us their blessing by lighting the lamp.
जिसे आपकी व्यापक नाम
Wondering why we all have gathered here today. We are happy to announce that we are launching our new one product in PSR group of companies in this IBD market. PSR group of company is an inclusive of PSR Diagnostic and Finova Healthcare, both specializing in their particular range of products. We launched this product as a representation of our company motto, powered by innovation, delivered in budget.
Mr. Rajiv Sharma. He had single-handedly our company has become an inspiration, mentor and leader and guide to all of us. We can't wait to hear him today. Let's welcome him with a
Huge round of applause.
Stress and tough period due to our hard work, we are here today. And I would like to congratulate my team. Because of them, we are able to plan this launching ceremony. Because of my team. And you know that despite this pandemic, I think the word is very much known, the COVID-19, which is just like villain for everyone. But over a period we all become mature and now we can't fear. We don't fear with this virus. And you know that now industry is going to be quite challenging, economy is quite challenging, and nowadays one after another we are facing something irrelevant, amazing, never imagined. After pandemic, the current happening is the war, the ongoing war between US and Ukraine. So you never know what is going to happen next. But in this uncertain period, we are planning something new, which is quite amazing and daring. So we need to get tougher for the upcoming tougher period. As you know, powered by innovation means PSR group of companies always powered by innovations and deliver in budget. See, towards the pain points of our network clients. हमारे clients, हमारे customers, you know that we have huge network. I proudly say because of my team hard work and my channel partners contributions and because of my manufacturers contribution cooperation. This is teamwork. And I don't feel ashamed and never claim that this is single-handed done by us. This is teamwork. Whoever believes in team, so definitely the vision going to be totally different. So we always work on the pain points of customers, users' requirement that we call spaces. And based on those spaces, we work for the innovations. So our vision is totally broad. We prefer to focus on the pain points of our network, requirement of the industry. Moreover, the most important fact is that when we do introduce innovations, it's going to be expensive, but amazingly, we introduce within the budget, with the nano price, and with our introduction, people enjoy the luxury with the nano price.
We are going to launch our another range of product, which is already told by our director. Another range of product in blood gas analyzers. I would like to welcome Ms. Sudha ma'am and Mr. Rajiv sir to come and inaugurate our product.
Service Manager Mr. Raminder Sharma to come on the stage and elaborate more about our new product.
Hello everyone, here I am today to present to all our new launch Ultra Blood Gas Analyzer. This product is introduced by PSR Group of Company. I wanted to explain the technical specifications of Ultra Smart Blood Gas Analyzer and Smart Blood Gas Analyzer. I wanted to see here some hardware of this. लेस स्ट्रिपिंग जो है बात है ये हमें दिखाता है कि जो हमें क्वांटिटी ऑफ फ्रिजन्स की जो बेसिकली जो रिक्वायरमेंट होती है इसकी फ्लो होती है विद रेफरेंस टू एक कस्टमाइज्ड वोल्को पंप जो है इंट्रोड्यूस किया गया है जो कि कैपेबल है क्वांटिटी वाइज लिक्विड और सैंपल्स कितना हमें मेम्ब्रेन्स में डालना है। ये इजी टू ऑपरेट यूजर्स के पास भी अगर हम इसको लिख दें वो सजेस्ट पर्पस के लिए इससे
अल्ट्रा स्मार्ट एंड स्मार्ट इसके साथ हम 5 पैरामीटर जो पेशेंट मॉनिटर है वो फ्री हम दे रहे हैं जिसकी बर्थ अराउंड 50,000 रुपीस है और इसी के साथ अपना एक O2 कंसंट्रेटर जो 10 लीटर कैपेसिटी के साथ ड्रिल फ्लो में आता है वो भी हम इसके साथ बर्थ ऑफ 1 लाख रुपीस एफओसी दे रहे हैं दोनों मशीनों के साथ।
For your great words and your valuable information which you have shared with us. Thank you so much.